pilots, today here we have the last video of Xenowerk that I'm making today. This time I want to show you the ultra difficult construction site. As you can see, I will try the fourth floor, and one of the peculiarities, or what's very interesting from this construction site, is that the level will change layout every single time you play it, so it won't be the same. I think it will have the same amount of rooms, but it's never going to be the same. Also, it's a little bit longer, more extensive, so you can make a really big combo that will end up being in a massive amount of points, of course. And again, in this construction site, the HP, the resistance of all the enemies, is much higher, so you must be very careful with. Oh shit! Wow! Okay, we start. Go! Woo-hoo-hoo! It's also easier to make combos because there's a shitload of enemies everywhere. Everywhere, they don't stop coming. Shit. Whoa. I'm almost dying. Wow. What the hell? So they got me on that nasty trap. I was not able to move, that's why I was also not able to continue with the super combo. That's why you must move a lot, constantly, and don't get too scared of the explosions of the big fat ass guys, because most of the time they are not making a lot of damage. So you need to be able to take some of that damage in order to continue the combo. Woo! Where are you? Oh, they were hiding in the... Jesus. That mistake took me a big combo out of my hands. Should have just adventured inside. Okay, now we'll not be able to make a combo out of these people, but at least we can just clear this room out. Whoa, what? I didn't see it! Anyway, well, I will respawn because I don't want to do everything again. I will just lose the charged power-ups that I had, as you see, but you can continue playing, which is actually very good, because I was just distracted. I didn't really have a big combo, so I will just continue playing. This time I will just go straight and then to the right, to the left. Oh, yeah! There are so many everywhere. Die! I wanted to try that one, but oh no! I didn't see it. Please die! Fast, die! Where? Maybe left and then right. Whoa! Whoa! Well, let's continue with this one. I think I lost all the points because it killed me, which is really bad. I'm not sure. Are you able to see the score? Whoa! Oh, they're just killing me a lot. She's very bad. It must be a very bad impression. I must look like a rookie. Oh! But it's actually a lot of fun. Wow! They are invisible. Now where? Let's go right. Let's see how that comes out. Here to right. And right. Whoa, I got frozen. But I can freeze them back. But I'm not sure if that was actually while I was also frozen or not. I think I was already just unfroze, so it doesn't really count. You will not be able to maybe defend yourself, but I'm not sure. What do you think? No! Die! Whoa! This is easy. Now where? Okay, cleared most of this part. We just need to do this side. And we... Not this side, not here. Next one. It's good that we can just open it for a meanwhile. Go! Go! Ah! Whoa! I am so fucked. Yeah. I got... Oh, I forgot to use the power up. No! Jesus shit Christ. One more time. Run! Okay, that was really bad. Anyway, that still was a lot of fun. I will lose a lot of points because they will not give me the survival bonus. But still, it's good to... It's just good fun. To destroy all these diabolic niggers. Oh! They won't die. They just keep walking. So that's why I think it's a little bit interesting, this game. Look at that. You get a lot of enemies, a lot of action, very intense. Oh shit. This is a try. This is a... You need to survive. Maybe if I stick close to this table, it's easier because they take some time to... Maybe here. Okay, I made it, or what? Yes, I made it. That was nice. That's also one of the peculiarities of this level. They sometimes will lock you up and make you a survival test. If you can survive the waves of enemies for some time. Now we are quite far, so let's use one of the power-ups. Here we go to the left, I guess, which was a very bad idea because I think there was a lot of leftover upgrade things on the other side. And now I think oh, we can try this weapon. I haven't seen it before. We can Thumper Nuke. Oh, this. Oh, did you see how much damage it made to me and how far I was from it? Nice. Let's. That's funny. Oh, it's overheated. But it does its job. No, 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 no! That's funny. That's good fun. I actually don't like it too much because I think it makes the game very easy. You just come in and then nuke them in and run, which I like not that much because I actually enjoy like hunting for them, running after them, and I also think it's funny when they get me in one corner and I can run anywhere like they just did. The fat destroyer just caught me in a corner. I was not able to do much about it. Let's go here, here, and then I think it's somewhere here. Is it? Yes, yes. And then here. And we made it. Yes! So that's it. The 4th level out of 20 of the interesting construction site. That's how it's called, that phase. It's very interesting. A lot of points, and also you receive a good reward of 6,000. As you can see from these videos, if you get like around 3 or 4, 5, 6,000 per level, then it's quite easy to buy the weapons, even if they are like 200,000. You don't really need to grind that much to get the most expensive weapons, which is, I think, a very nice thing from the developers. And just let me know what you think about this game, again, about the videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Goodbye.